Recently, in the last few months, there has been the discussion about TRP ratings and some alleged scam relating to manipulation of TRP ratings. But if you give people the money and if they continue to watch your channel all the time, then automatically your TRP and GRP will zoom, isn't it? 30,000 crores are going to be distributed by the advertisers to the various broadcasting channels based on this TRP and GRP. Hi friends, welcome. Rangarajan here. Recently, in the last few months, there has been the discussion about TRP ratings and some alleged scam relating to manipulation of TRP ratings. So in today's video, we'll try and understand what is this TRP, how is it measured, who measures it, what is the issue, and what is the possible solution. But before that, a bit of history as always. So Doordarshan started television in India in 1959, but it was not until 1982 when the Asian Games happened in India, in Delhi, that we had our color television. During that time there were two famous brands. One was Solidaire, which was a black and white TV, which we had in our home also, and the other was Dynora, which is for color television. There used to be antennas on top of houses in the roofs where children go and turn the antenna to receive signals. I have also done it myself as a youngster. There was only one channel. There was a DD Metro channel which was started in the four metropolitan cities of Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta and Chennai in 1984, but in Chennai it came later in the 1980s. There used to be only one movie which was played every Sunday evening in the regional languages in the television channels. My uncle, who used to live in the US at that point of time, in the late 1980s, he used to say that there are 60 channels in the US, and if you just keep flipping every channel per minute, it will take 1 full hour to cover the entire set of channels, and as kids we used to be awestruck listening to that. Many of you youngsters may not be aware of this, but if you ask your elders, your parents, they will be able to retell all their own stories. But today we have 900 plus channels in India, and out of that more than 150 channels scatter just to news. So when you have so many channels, you have three important players in this. First is of course the news channel, be it Vijay TV, Sun TV, Star Plus, Zee News, Times Now, NDTV, so on and so forth. So he is the broadcaster. The second is the advertiser, the companies which give advertisement to these channels. And the third is you and me, who is the viewer. So the people who are going to advertise in these channels will need to know which program is watched more, which channel is watched more, my target audience, when do they watch the channel. So for this you need to have some data, and this data is collected, and this is what is called as TRP and GRP. Now, so who does this? There is an agency called Broadcast Audience Research Council, BARC as it is called. So they install what is called as barometers. They install it in a sampling method. So how does this work? They install it in some of the households through a sample. They take into account the various socio-economic status, the education level of the people, various factors are considered, and these meters, they are called as barometers, which are installed. There is a separate kind of remote which is given to the people in the house, and each individual in the house is given a separate button. So they need to press that button and then watch the channel which they are watching, so that you know that a youngster is watching a kids channel, a middle-aged man or a woman is watching an entertainment channel or a sports channel, old people are watching religious channels. So you will know which population age watches which channel, for how long do they watch it, and every impression is for 1 minute. So if someone watches a channel for 1 minute, then it is one impression. Like that, these impressions are calculated through watermarks in these houses where these barometers are installed, and this is summarized on a weekly basis, channel wise. So this is what is called as TRPs. These impressions calculated for the target audience is what is called as TRP, or television rating point. Now this can be sliced and diced the way it is wanted. You want to know which channel has been watched the most in a week, so you divide it into half an hour segments. So in a day there are 48 half an hours, isn't it? Because there are 24 hours and there are 48 half an hours. And in a week it is 48 into 7, which is 336. So the cumulative total of the TRPs for this 336 half hours is considered to be the gross rating point or the GRP for a channel. It can be even seen for a particular program. It can be seen for a particular prime time of 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the evening, so on and so forth. And these TRPs and GRPs are used by the advertisers to place their advertisements. So this is the importance of TRP and GRP. But why this issue? See, because the advertisement revenue in television is estimated to be close to 30,000 crores, somewhere between 27,000 crores and 30,000 crores. And news channels themselves have somewhere around 2,700 to 3,000 crores out of this, and the rest of the entertainment channels also get a bulk of, sports channels get a bulk of this advertisement revenue. So the advertiser need to know who is watching which channel at what time and which program or which channel is popular amongst their target segment, and for that this TRP and GRP is used. But can you imagine how many people watch television in India as an average? It is estimated that there are 84 crore people who watch television, and if you take an average family size of somewhere around 3.5 to 4, it's around 20 crore family households who watch television. But take a guess on the number of barometers that have been installed in the country today. It is 44,000 sets only. Of course, it is based on the principle of sampling, but it is only 44,000 sets as of now. And imagine this, in Bombay there are 2,000 sets approximately which are installed. The English news channels generally don't have a viewership of more than 0.4% average. So 2,000, 0.4% gives just 8 households. And the alleged scam which has happened recently, right, they have named some TV channels like Republic TV and a few others. They have said they have gone and tried to manipulate just 5 households, just 5 houses, and given them some money. It's all an allegation, it's not proven till now. But if you give people the money and if they continue to watch your channel all the time, then automatically your TRP and GRP will zoom, isn't it? So that is the reason why this TRP and GRP and this scam or alleged scam has a lot of ramifications, because 30,000 crores are going to be distributed by the advertisers to the various broadcasting channels based on this TRP and GRP. And the viewers also, it is based on the TRP and GRP that the kind of content is provided. So if the TRP is manipulated, you may get a content which many people don't like, but the TRP don't tell the true picture. So it is in this context that the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, the TRAI, has given some guidelines to streamline this, to regulate this, to improve this. So what have they said? They have said from 44,000 sets presently, the number of sets should go up to 60,000 by the end of 2020, and it should go up to 1 lakh by 2022. This BARC should not just have advertisers and broadcasters primarily in their committee or in the membership. It should have experts, it should have technical people, it should have people from regulatory authorities like TRAI who are in the board or in the committees of BARC, so that it can be regulated better. And finally, they have also said there must be multiple measuring agencies, right? You have so many people who sell cell phones, you have so many people who sell watches, you have so many people who sell ACs or refrigerators, right? You have so many people who prepare reports, and you can compare, isn't it? But today, this is done only by BARC, and it is only barometers which are used. When there are multiple agencies which perform this function, then one is showing a different number, the other is showing a different number, then you will get into the root of the problem and find out which is right and which is wrong. So that is also something which should be introduced, so that the TRPs are measured. You need a data to measure who is watching what. It helps the broadcaster, it helps the advertiser, and the viewers will also get the kind of programs that they want. But for this, these steps needs to be performed, and recently, just last week, the central government has also constituted a board, a committee for reviewing the TRP related issues. It has appointed the Doordarshan CEO as the head of that committee. It has an IIT professor and few other experts who will get into the root of this issue and try and provide solutions. So, I hope you understood what is TRP, what is the issue, and what is the possible solution. Thanks for watching. I will see you again with another video next week.